See how you get it? Quite often it's terribly frustrating because it'll be tight to go in and then fall out. That's part of the reason that people don't do it right, because it's hard. And guess what? Life is hard to live if you're going to work hard. If you're going to live right. They don't ever show that in the movies. The guy who works hard all day, does the right thing, keeps on doing the right thing day after day. That's hard. Nobody wants to do a movie about that because it's not quite as exciting. But it's hard to do. Don't look for it to be easy. If it's easy, then look for something. The other shoe's going to drop soon. It'll be a frustrating situation, but hang in there. Screws will back out and you can cut it, set it back in. Personally, I had to learn this over the last 20, 30 years. So I've been in this area 26 years and I'm still learning. So don't go into it. Nobody taught me this. Somebody taught me the wrong way. I had to learn that that's not a very good way, and I won't even bother telling you who that was. But every time you try to cut corners, you're going to pay a price. My mother used to say, rebellion has a price. Well, rebellion is when you know what's right and you don't do it. So do the right thing, guys. Take the extra time. Use screws, not nails. Use thicker wood. Don't overlay it. Because if you overlay this over top of the existing floor, the floor below will not only swell up like we had here, won't give you, you'll have to smash that down. Then they'll be standing on the staples because eventually all that wood will deteriorate and your floor will move. Within 4 or 5 years, if not quicker, it'll be moving all over the place because it'll be standing on staples in one place and not on wood on the other place. It's a horrible idea. Knuckle under, quit being a rebellious person, do what you need to do.